Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I want to show you my new gadget. It is around my neck and I have been seeing these on Instagram for a while now. I swear to God, I'm always getting targeted ads from the company and I thought about buying one from the company that was advertising to me, but they advertise on Instagram, but they don't have an Instagram account, which I found a little bit suspicious. So I went on Amazon and I went on eBay and I found the nearest thing for the best price. And I thought I'd do a video to show you. Also, apologies, I look rough. I wasn't planning on filming today. Anyway, here I am. Here is my gadget. Basically, what it does, it does point of view filming. So it's a bit like a tripod that sits around your neck. Admittedly, it looks really weird. But if you want to kind of do point of view filming and you want to do things with your hands and have both hands in shot, this is the tool. So I thought I'd show it to you. I got it for I think £25. I will put the shopping link below. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you how it works. You can use it landscape or portrait. So yeah, let me clip it on and show you. So to clip it on, you simply take it and line up the apple with the middle of the circle and it is on. And then from here, you simply position it how you want. You can tilt it up, you can tilt it down. Oh, let's move the laundry basket. So yeah, say I wanted to capture me washing my hands as part of a morning routine video. I could literally do this. I can get both my hands in. If I wanted to do an unboxing, I could do that. If I wanted to cook or type, I can do that. I can angle it up and down. So if I wanted to kind of open something here, I can. But at the same time, if I wanted walking footage and I wanted to have both hands in, I can do that. I feel like I'm really showing how filthy I am and how messy my house is. But yeah, basically you can just have it wherever you want it. Obviously, it's not good for mirror stuff because you can see how weird you look with the tripod around your neck. But for doing anything like this and having both hands in, I do think it's like really, really, really cool. Yeah, I'm just going to dry my hands. So yeah, that's really good. And if you were doing cooking or making a cup of coffee, that would be really great. And then let me quickly show you. So to take it off, you simply do that. And then you can have it portrait as well. So again, I don't know why I keep washing my hands, but if I wanted to show myself washing my hands, I can do that. If I wanted to kind of like stroke my dog, oh my God, look, you can see how messy the house is. Look at this pile of beer. How weird does that look? It's for our wedding. We ordered all the beer. I think we might need more, to be fair. Anyway, where's my dog? Here's my dog. Oh, look, here's my messy kitchen. Hey, Gordon. Hey, Gordon. So if I wanted to stroke him with both hands, I can. Hello. Oh, he's so sweet. And then what else could I do? I don't know. I could chop food. Here's some potatoes. Here's a knife. I could chop. So yeah, that's basically it. Hello. So yeah, basically it's really easy to use. You just clip it onto your neck. Yeah, it's really easy to kind of get on and off. I really like it. I think it's a really good little tool. I think it cost me £25, which I thought was really good. I figured it would be quite handy for quite a lot of instances, like unboxing and things. I don't really have anybody that helps me with filming, so I do everything alone. Setting up a tripod can be a bit of a nightmare, and sometimes I just want to do things with my hands, but I need two hands, so I thought I'd get it, and I thought I'd show it to you. I will put all the link and everything below if you do want one as well, but I just thought I'd share it, and I didn't see any other reviews of the product, so I thought I would do one. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.